Valorant offers a diverse cast of agents, each bringing unique abilities that can change the course of a match. Some of the best agents that stand out, they do because not only their versatility is amazing, but for their ability to fit into various team compositions and strategies. So, controllers like Omen and Viper are highly regarded for their ability to block sightlines and control key areas of the map. Omen's smokes and teleportation can create confusion and disrupt enemy positioning, while Viper's poison, his abilities with the poison allow for area denial and tactical control, making them essential on maps where controlling space is crucial. Now, duelists such as Jett and Reyna excel in aggressive playstyles. Jett's mobility and high skill ceiling make her a favorite amongst players who want to frag out or outmaneuver opponents. Reyna, on the other hand, thrives off frags, healing herself and becoming even stronger after every kill, making her an ideal pick for those who want to dominate in 1 versus 1 situations. Support agents like Sage and Killjoy are indispensable for their ability to heal, revive, and provide utility. Sage's healing and resurrection can turn the tide of a round, while Killjoy's gadgets provide excellent control and anti-flank capabilities. So each agent has its strengths.